Partridge and Olive quarterly subscription box. This is the Beekeeper's friend garden. I can't remember. Oh no, you guys are too close. Beekeeper's Garden. Ooh. That's what this one's called. Okay, there's a spoiler. Ooh. Let's get you over here. In the way. Start with this. Such pretty packaging. Oh, a stamp block. I'm kind of glad I didn't order one of these because I just got a bunch of stamps that I actually needed a stamp block for. Some black ink, very convenient. And then alphabet and your dates. Exciting. Let's do this one next. Pen pouch. Spoilers. Well, that's cute. You put it on your journal and then your pen goes in the pouch. It's adorable. Stickers, 4 sheets matte finish. Ooh. All the cute little flowers. Very cute. Also gold gilding. We love gold gilding. Okay. Do the purple one. I'm gonna guess, yeah, decorative washi tapes. I don't know if I'm supposed to get that or if that was a filler. But we do have 4. They're pretty cute with their little bees and their gold gilding. The honeycomb one is really cute. It's gold. We're going to swatch those later. Still curious as to why, but I suppose packaging. Alright. I got some duographs, chisel and fine tip, water-based ink, charcoal, honeycomb, daffodil, lilac, violet. Do I have? I've only ever used the acrylographs from them. I don't know what their duographs are like. I'm sure it's interesting. There we go. Oh, little stickers for the color names. Okay, that's the chisel. And that's a fine tip. Ooh, it's a fine tip. Interesting. Have to swatch those later. Put their little stickers on. I'm not gonna fully close that because I want that noise. Probably should have kept out my X-Acto knife guy, but just use the new scissors that I got. There's the dot grid notebook. cute. Very cute little bee. And then white darker pages with the matching color bookmarks. Cute pen loop, elastic. This is really cute. It's an interesting size as well. What do they call them this size? They don't say. Okay, what else we got? We got another one of these. Oh, notebook. Oh, it's on the bottom. A5 notebook. B6. That was the other one. Okay, so this is A5, which is what I'm currently using is an A5. I think this is the one that was in the spoilers, or the preview for this one. Which, yes. Ugh. I really like this like dark yellow color. Oh, I didn't know that it had that. That's so cute. And it's purple. Little beads. All right, this is what I was super excited about. This box was this lavender paper specifically. Oh, so lovely. So excited. I'm gonna stay safe in there for now. Oh. And then there's a big boy. Big box. Clipboard folio. Alright, let's see what you look like. Not that I need a clipboard folio. Did not do a good job with the plastic. Oh, okay, interesting. Okay, so has a clipboard on the front. That is a stiff clip. Little pocket for some stuff. And lined paper. Interesting. So overall, I'm pretty happy. There's a lot of stuff in this box that I will use. I'm not quite sure if I would use the clipboard folio, but it's really neat. Again, not sure what I would use it for. I really like all the little gold butter or bee details on it though, so it is super cute. I'm just personally struggling with how I would use it. This notebook though, I am super excited about. Cannot wait to do some pen swatches on the lavender pages. And I'm also excited for the A6 size notebook. I think I've used a similar size notebook before, so it's not going to be that much of a surprise for me using it, but I know a lot of people probably don't use a B6 size notebook, so it would be really exciting for them. Plus the pen holder is really cute if you're somebody who likes to like travel with your notebook. Personally, mine sits on my desk, but you know, put it on, and then let's grab a Tombow because you know a lot of people use the Tombows. Fits pretty decently, a Tombow. So you know, if you needed to go somewhere with your pens and your notebook, not bad, not bad at all. I think 8 out of 10 for my first Arch and Olive soapbox.